Hello, this is a demonstration of reporting a hazard using your desktop or laptop. Our user is already logged in and is using a desktop or a laptop. We can't tell. First thing we're going to choose is the observation area. Is it on-site, at a staffed location, or off-site, out in the field or at a non-staffed location, perhaps a substation? In our case, we're going to choose on-site, and now we can pick the particular location. This is a list of all staffed locations organized by state. So first New Mexico, then Texas. Location we're going to be using today is the new masthead location in Albuquerque. Now, give us a little bit more detail. Where in the location is the issue at? Again, more detail is good. It helps us find it. There's geotagging can be done, but it's not particularly useful. So detail here will help us. Now describe the hazard and tell us a little bit more about it as much as you can, as you're the expert reporting the issue, so you understand what the concern is. You can put in as much text as you want. We're not trying to use talk to text, as this is a desktop or a laptop, and I don't have a microphone hooked up to this particular device. Now mitigation, again, did you do anything to mitigate or reduce the impact of this hazard? Putting up a signage, putting up barricades, something like that. Timing is simply a way for you to tell us, in your opinion, how important it is. We can't commit to the times you select, but it does help us prioritize the work. Please note, you aren't allowed to select 4 for an emergency, as this tool is not designed for emergencies. If you do select emergency, you're going to see a list of the phone numbers and actions to take for an emergency, but you need to select something else to proceed. Here's what we see. This is the message you'll see. Choose a value other than 4 to continue with this process. 4 again is emergency. We chose a 2 as a medium. Now we'll pick the hazard area. Hazard areas are simply a way to group by functional area or owner. Hazard owners can reassign as needed, so don't worry if you can't decide. We have a number of them that look very similar. These are the 16 hazard areas broken out by state and business type. Again, they can be reassigned. You could also select practice if you just want to play with the system. Practice records don't count in metrics, and I will process them as closed once I see them. It's a good way to see what the emails all look like. In our case, we're choosing facilities, and the Aaron Allen is the person we're using for our sample. Now you press the submit button. You can also save and edit it later, but we don't see it and don't take action on it until it gets submitted. Press the submit button in the upper left. This is our test system, so it is a little slower. And now we've created it. We see a hazard number has been assigned, and you can also see who it's been assigned to and its case number. Person responsible is Frank Kenny. Status is active. You'll get an email, your boss gets an email, and you can always see the status on all your hazards on the hazard area list. Right here, hazard ID list. A new hazard's been reported. You've done a great job. Thank you so much for watching. And